At the edge of the city, there's a place where calm still lives, where mornings begin with the sound of trees instead of traffic. Everything you need within minutes, a neighborhood that makes everyday living effortless. 4 minutes to the MRT, close enough to connect, far enough to breathe. Good schools, good connections, strong demand. A place where value feels natural. Surrounded by forest and sky. A quiet retreat that still belongs to the city. Narra Residences, a rare calm within reach. Previewing soon.